This black Dell Vostro laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This thin and light laptop weighs less than 1.8 kilograms, making it ideal for people on the go. Powered by the 8th generation Intel Core i3 processor, the laptop is ideal for daily use and browsing. With 4 MB cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop features a 4 GB DDR4 RAM with Intel HD graphics. The Dell laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space to hold all your videos, movies and photos. The laptop comes with a 42 Wh lithium-ion battery. The Dell Vostro laptop has a 14-inch LED backlit HD display with anti-glare technology, which provides a good viewing experience while keeping the laptop lightweight. It comes with Waves Max audio speakers for an immersive audio experience. The laptop has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 HDMI port, 1 combination audio and microphone port, 1 Ethernet port, and 1 VGA port for easy connectivity. This laptop comes with AC adapter included in the box. This Dell laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.